Here's Daniel doing the cinnamon challenge. Huzzah! And he has an actual tablespoon here, so that's nice. Yes, it's very accurate.
Bad idea.
You have to swallow it eventually? Completely. Originally it was supposed to be in 60 seconds, but you know, I mean, apparently nobody does that on YouTube. You working on it? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Good luck with that. Mm-hmm. Ooh. What do you think, Kitty?
Well, now I can actually talk.
Oh, well, that's good. You should give up now so that I don't, you know, lose against you.
Mm. Well,
oh, you took the old cinnamon. Gosh darn it.
What? Oh, does this not count?
No, it counts, I think. I'm gonna compare those though. No, continue. That's good. It's just like 6 years old, so I was like, I'm gonna get a new one.
That explains why it's so gross.
That might. Looks like you're gonna make it if you want to do it tomorrow with the new cinnamon, you know.
I'm pretty much done. It's just now.
Yeah, a little bit more. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Looks like you're gonna make it though. You have some on your teeth, by the way. That's kind of interesting.
It's really gross. Found some in the back.
Just tell me when you think you're good.
Well, there's some in this crevice right here.
Work on that crevice.
I am. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I'm done.
Alright.
Nice. Yeah. So, I just found out that that was about 4 years. And that's 4 years old, and that explains why it was disgusting.
Best by January 16th of 2008.
That explains why it felt like I was putting dirt in my mouth.